Hello everyone, welcome to Joy's World. How are you all? Today I am making this video for all the parents and teachers who have a big question in their mind that how to make your child read. It's really very important. So here I am going to share some of the tips and suggestions so that your child starts reading easily and you don't get pressurized. So these are very simple tips. So whenever you start introducing alphabets to children, it's really very important that you not only introduce those alphabets, you introduce their sounds, their phonic sounds. So whenever you introduce an alphabet like this A, you have to tell the phonic sound of A as A. This is A. A sounds A. You can make such of the flashcards at home with all the alphabets, or you can get such flashcards that are easily available online. You can check in the description box about these, from there you can get such flashcards. So whenever you are introducing an alphabet, you have to make them understand its sound. How does it sound? A says A, because A, whenever you read a word, it will not sound A, it will sound A, as apple, aeroplane, ant. So the child should know the correct phonic sound of each and every alphabet. Like when the child start reading, this is B-A-T, bat. B sounds B, B. A sounds A. T sounds T. B-A-T, 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 bat. So here sound of each and every alphabet is really important. Then only the child would read correctly. So when your child is ready with each and every phonic sound, then only you introduce him with the word family. Word family is all the words which contain all the vowels in it. I would make another video in which I'll show you, I'll tell you about the word families and how to teach them when the child is ready with all the phonic sounds of each and every alphabet. And the second most important thing are rhymes. Rhymes are not just for fun. These are really very important because the child hears different kinds of sounds in the rhymes. So it's really important. It enhances its hearing, the sounds. He recognizes the sounds of different alphabets and words. So it's very important. It's not just for fun, but this is very important when for the child for reading also. So read, play different kinds of, sing different kinds of rhymes to the child with different words in it, and the child enjoys it a lot also. And when the child is introduced with all the phonic sound, you can start reading to him. You can start reading even if the child is not aware with the phonic sound, with books like this which have big pictures in it and have small stories. So this will children love these kinds of reading if you start reading such kind of books to them, and they increase the habit of hearing sounds, hearing different words. So it's really important, read them aloud such stories. Even if you are explaining to them in your mother tongue, read the sentences in English and aloud so that they hear different words and different sounds. So here comes rhymes, flashcards and the phonics. So these are some of the very important tips or important things which you have to follow so that the child start reading easily. Whenever he starts with books or with reading, it will be much easier for him. And here I would like to suggest some of the books which you can easily get online, and you can check this in the description. Bob books, B-O-B, Bob books have 5 levels of books, which have beginning readers, for advancing beginnings, for word families, compound words, long vowels. There are 5 levels. You can get one by one each set from the from Bob books, and this will really help you read the alphabet in your child's reading. It will really it will be a great help for you. So and do comment in the comments what you liked about the video and what other things you would like to know for teaching your child reading, writing. So I would share some of the tips with you, and you can check the descriptions where I have made on other videos related to phonics and rhymes and alphabets that would really help your child reading habits and learning the alphabets, recognizing different phonic sounds. So it would be great help. So this is one of the parts, and there are many aspects and many tips which can be shared, and I would be making many other videos, so it would be really helpful for you all. And the most important thing is being patient. You have to be patient, because every child has his or her own pace of learning. So maybe some children start reading quickly and some take a little bit of time, so it's okay. So don't pressurize yourself, don't pressurize your child. Be patient, make it in a fun way, and enjoy this journey of your child's reading. So hope you like the video, and do comment in the comment box, and do take care of yourself and your child, and see you again. Bye for now.